Hey guys, this is James Marsters. Lisa has asked me to say a few words about Torchwood today, a show that I love. Um, when I was producing theater, we did a lot of plays that were subversive. And we weren't trying to make people uncomfortable, but we knew that the subversion was working when they got pissed. Subversion really is about trying to divest the audience from the lies that we get taught, usually in childhood. Lies like violence works, or old people are boring, or you can buy Christmas, or you can buy yourself identity. And you know that when someone's upset, that the subversion is working. And I had a lot of fun doing that. But then I became a parent, and I moved down to Los Angeles, and I really thought, okay, you're going to give up that part of your life, and you're going to sell out, and you're going to make some money to feed your baby. And that was the right thing to do at the time. But then I found myself in the middle of a subversive show called Buffy the Vampire Slayer, and we were subverting the lie that women can't defend themselves. And I was so happy. I was having my cake and eating it too. I was making diaper money, but I was also continuing the good work of subversion. And that show ended, and I thought, wow, gosh, how lucky can I get? That'll never happen again. And then I met Russell T Davies, and he told me that Torchwood was his Buffy, and I didn't really understand what he meant by that, but I think I do now. I realized this when I was doing an interview with the BBC in the back of a car in the middle of the rain in Wales when we were filming Torchwood, and the man said, "So what do you think about the homophobic backlash against Torchwood?" And I said, "We have a backlash. We have a backlash. We have a we have woo woo." And I was so happy. And I realized I was in the middle of a TV show that was subverting the lie that LGBT people can't defend them, or they can't be heroes. And I was over the moon. And for that reason, I will always be in love with Torchwood. It was doing the good work. Heroes are everywhere. Some of them are gay. Some of them are bisexual. Some of them are transgender. Some of them are queer. And I am so proud that I got to play a little role in getting that message out. Great love to you all. Have a great time together and continue the fight.